Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Conquer, your one stop destination for cybersecurity, digital forensics, and tech mastery. Today, I'm excited to announce you something big, something many of you guys have been requesting us for months. So, here I am presenting 3-month Tech Conquer Cyber Crime Investigation Training, a complete career oriented program designed to take you from beginner to professional cybercrime investigation. So, without wasting time, let's quickly jump to the course content. Okay, so it's a 3 classes per week, and total duration of the course is 12 months, approximately 35 sessions. And our goal is to learn real world OSINT and digital forensics investigation skills used for legal and ethical method, of course. So we have divided the course into two phases. Phase one is OSINT investigation mastery. So this phase contains introduction to cybersecurity laws and OSINT, like what is OSINT, its types and importance. Then we have some IPCs, IT acts, something government laws and all. Then we'll be learning ethics and legal boundaries of investigation, then how all of these things are being used by the law enforcement and in pen testing, in journalism, newspapers and all. Then on number two, we have OSINT framework and tool overview. So we'll be learning some tools like installation and intro to tools, Recon NG, Spiderfoot, etc. And we'll be going through some websites, osintframework.com, Intel Techniques, overview of all these websites, some frameworks. Then we'll also be covering the passive versus active information gathering. Okay. Then on number three, we have search engine mastery, Google docking, and some types, or we can say some titles, in title, file type, in URL, site, etc. And we'll be learning creating our custom search engine, CSE, and everything will be hands-on practice. And on number four, we'll be covering people search, like their name, their email addresses, their phone numbers. So we have some private tools as well as some public tools. So we'll be covering all of these in this part with the email tracing and then mobile number investigation and linking handles, how these social medias are linked to that person. Then on number five, we'll be covering username and handle tracing. So here we'll be learning some tools like Shelllock, Migrate, What's My Name, and many other private tools too. And we'll be learning the mapping of cross-platforms identity, like if that user is on the other platform or not, like GitHub, Telegram, Reddit, etc. On number six, we'll be focusing on Facebook OSINT. So UID extraction and mutual friends enumeration, then image and profile scrapping, then legacy graph search, and some manual techniques too. Number seven will be focused on Instagram and LinkedIn. So Insta analysis like tags, their followers, their locations, and LinkedIn scrapping is mapping their employees, their connections, how they are related to each other. And number eight will be learning image and video OSINT, like reverse search image, EXIF data extraction, deepfake spotting, and frame analysis. And number nine will be covering breach data and credential exposure. Like we'll be covering some tools, have I been pawned, dehashed, base, and some other private tools, and we have some databases. So you'll be going through them. Then we'll be learning some hash types, password reuse pattern, and building a digital footprint from leaks. And on number 10, we'll be covering domain and website footprinting. Who is DNS dumpster, cert.sh, etc. Some subdomain discovery tools, website metadata, favicon hash, text tag analysis. Number 11 will be dark web and paste bin OSINT. Some basics of Tor, ghost bin, paste bin, and finding leaks on the dark forums and learning how dark web search engine works, how to use them. On number 12, I will be covering geolocation OSINT, image, video based location tracking. We'll be learning some tools like Geo, Creepy, EXIF GPS, Google Earth, And we'll be learning travel and transport tracking like flight and marine. On number 13, we'll be covering real-time OSINT monitoring like Google Alerts, GitHub Docs. Then we'll be learning Twitter monitoring, then Shodan alerts, RSS feeds for tracking the changes of the profile. On number 14, we'll be learning OSINT reporting, like documenting every single thing in a file, in a note, in a PDF. So we'll be learning visual link analysis and data prevention and chain of custody. Then, after finishing the phase one, we'll be continuing with the phase two. Phase two is digital forensics specialization. In the phase two, we'll be covering introduction to digital forensics. The process is to identify, to preserve, to analyze the report and chain of custody, evidence handling. Then we'll be setting up some tools and learning them like autopsy, FTK major, volatility. On number 17, we'll be covering Windows forensics, basics. So NTF file system, registry basics, event logs, user data. Number 18, we have Windows artifact analysis. Like registry may we have USB history, MRU, run keys, prefetch, jump list, LN keys, etc. Number 19 will be covering Windows log analysis, like log on, log off events, some tools. We'll be installing some tools, we'll be learning with them, and we'll be learning how to create a timeline. Then on number 20, we'll be learning Linux forensics. Basic will be covered here. Okay, so we'll be learning about file systems, directory structure, some important paths, bash history, sudo logs, cron jobs. Number 21, we have Linux forensics. Here we'll be doing some deep analysis. Syslog, auth WTMP, BTMP, UTMP, audit tracing, deleted file recovery in Linux. On 2022, we'll be doing disk imaging and mounting. Like we'll be learning about what is MBR, GPT, what about the partitions. We will be learning about some tools here, hashing and mounting for analysis. Then on 23, we'll be doing file system analysis, like file craving, like Foremost, Capel, and NTFS. Okay. Then on 24, we'll be learning about the deleted and hidden data recovery, like unallocated and slack space analysis, identifying the hidden partitions, and we'll be learning about some tools for the data recovery. Then on 25, RAM forensics. We'll be learning about we'll be covering introduction here. So memory capture tools like Lime, volatility will be learning volatility here, memory structures and formats. Then on 26, we'll be covering RAM analysis techniques like DLLs, hidden processes, process injection, and extracting passwords and credentials. 27 will be covering Android forensics. Basics will be covered here. So, file systems, some important data paths, some extractions. 28 we have Android app data analysis. We'll be analyzing WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, SQLite databases, browser artifacts. And on 29 we'll be covering forensics report writing. Okay, how to write the report, how to document every single finding, every single timeline. Then the last but not the least, final forensics CTF challenge. So here you guys have to solve a CTF, and the CTF will be covering disk, RAM, Android, Windows evidence combo, and in the end we have debriefing and a feedback session. And in bonus, we'll be giving you guys a OSINT toolkit and some GitHub repos, PDF handbooks, and some cheat sheets. And we have some practice platforms. So we'll be sharing with you guys. Okay. So now let's talk about the duration and the course fees. So the class timings will be around 3 classes per week, and our course is starting from 26th of December 2025. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's an evening batch, so flexible for everyone. The language will be completely English. And if we talk about the course pricing and EMIs, so the course fees is 6,000 only, and making it budget friendly for students and some beginners. So you can also opt for the EMI option. We have 35,000 for 3,500 for the registration and 2,500 after 1 month of the course starting date, like 26th December to 26th of January 2026. You will have to pay the outstanding amount. Then, as I have already told you about the bonus material. So if you guys are serious about building a career in cybercrime investigation, OSINT or digital forensics, this is the strongest and most complete training program you will ever find at this price, 6,000. Okay. So link is in the description and we'll see you in the class. Okay, so just let me just show you, okay, how can you enroll. Okay, so here we have a big button, enroll now. Simply click on that, and if you guys are opting for EMI, then untick this button, and if you are paying in full, then just simply click on this button. You'll just have to, you'll get a discount of 500 rupees here. Just fill all the details, and if you guys have problem, just contact on this number or this email address. Our course is starting from 26th of December 2025. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.